What's going on with the real estate market in Greater Vancouver and Fraser Valley? Where we are, we're going up, we're going down, we're on a plateau, what will be in the future? This is actually the most fundamental question in my industry. And in this video, I will show you a very powerful tool which you can use to take more big picture, clear big picture, okay? So stay tuned on. Hi, my name is Mike. I live and work in Greater Vancouver. I'm a realtor. And in this video, in my channel, we're talking about real estate and beyond. We're talking about how to use real estate and operate real estate successfully. So if you're a real estate fan, I consider to subscribe. So here we go. This is Interactive Statistic. If we're talking about ways how simple way how to evaluate the condition of the market, we have to use statistic. But the problem with statistic is there is so much information and it's not easy to navigate. But this one is, from my understanding, is a beautiful example of how to can use statistic. Yeah, this is what I did for you. I will pick up all statistics starting from January 2005. Yeah, 17 years, and you will see the graphic here. And if you click on this tab, you will see the date and the median sales price. What does it mean? The stuff sales price is the final sold price. Yeah, and you see here this for last 17 years. If you're talking about January 2005, the price was 325,000, and this is almost February 2022 was almost 1 million. So the gross appreciation was 300% going up. Even you see, if you see here this, for example, June 2008, you remember this big shorts when reflection on situation with financial problem with mortgages in the United States, we drop only 20%. And also you see here, that's for now, you see, just see the situation in this year. When February was 2022, we got almost 1 million again, and then we drop of 10%. Again, this is median sales price, and all this type of property, what we have here is, of course, it's combined. So it means something between three of them. It means between detached houses, apartments, and townhouses. So if you see here, this is monthly report, which my clients will get in the beginning of each particular month. And if you see here the whole Greater Vancouver situation, and then you'll see starting from City of Vancouver, then West Vancouver, North Vancouver, and up to Mission and Abbotsford. So this is this, from my understanding, is pretty easy to see where we are, and I hope this one can get more. You can save more time and money for getting the final decision to buy or sell your place. So this is what we prepare for you, and I think it will be great if you get some kind of feedback about this stuff. To get this stuff for free, absolutely free, you can get the link below this in the comments, and where you can leave your name and email address, and I will definitely send it to you each particular month. So thank you very much. We'll be happy to see your feedback and comments. Right now we're in the middle of preparing the whole series about for my neighbors, let's say, for my clients, about how to operate real estate successfully, and hopefully I will see you soon. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.